No need to put my full channel name. Let's go.
To the U, to the FCB, I'm the boy, because I feel I'm the.
As usually, please click the subscribe button, okay? Hey yo, assalamualaikum and welcome back to Nabila LJE channel here. On today's content, I'm gonna teach you some tutorial on how I upload, what I do before I upload my YouTube video. So just let go.
Let go, man.
By the way,
This video is sponsored by Duta Night channel, so just subscribe my friend channel, Duta Night. I will put the link on the description box below. For example, if you want to upload a new video on your channel, like me, I will upload it on my channel lah. For what I use you guys punya channel. So let's get started. I will choose one video, for example, and we will put maybe I just title, put anime or other, cause I just choose anime video, My Hero Academia, Shoto Todoroki. And then after you guys have done to write the title, you guys must click that add description, yeah, like that. If me, I will put hashtag SeanLJ Events, because you guys also search SeanLJ Events and my video pop up on you guys punya FYP on YouTube. I don't really have so much idea on this time, so I just put what hashtag that I should put. If you guys, I suggest you to put your name or just your Instagram or Facebook username, so that people easier to find your channel or your new video without actually search for your full channel name. Like me, my channel is so there's no need to search for the full. People just need to search for Sean LJ Events
It's your boy,
or
Sean
my
LJE
name,
Events.
Nabila LJE. So yeah, you guys done and see this. There's a hashtag on the description box. Bye. Hope to see you guys on my next video.